damn quiet. Everything chill?
I just can't believe we're actually doing this.
Just like old times, yeah?
Just like old times. Night City?
What'd that be?
Take a look. See that? One day you're in the gutter, the next, you got the whole city at your feet. The whole fucking city!
Where no one can make you do shit! Not even those motherfuckers. No idea how this is gonna end, but let me tell you, it'll be one loud morning.
Time we gave this city another wake-up call. Jesus, it's so beautiful. About to get even prettier, too.
The hell you say? You two take a puff at your chair?
I wish, Squamma. Eyes on the sky, everybody.
Cutting a mixer entrance in 3, 2...
and 1!
Whoa, was that the Jerusalem?
Make a wish.
Hey! They got a lock on us!
Damn it.
What do we do?
Stick to the plan.
Time to Delta's past. Gotta improvise.
Raylan, get us to the top floors!
Intruder detected. Initiating Hayabusa protocol. The facility is in lockdown.
Fuck me.
Hey, you still breathing?
Personnel must report to designated zones.
Wayland never jumped. Crashed by the waterfall. I'll try to re-establish contact with him, then find someone who's got access for the elevator going down. Wayland, you read me? How many pieces you in?
Still one I own, and I think the local tribe's taken an interest in me.
We'll get you out of there. Don't move.
As if I could.
We're going after Wayland.
Got it.
Guards.
Occupied at the term. Slip and buy is an option, and so is taking him out all at once. I'll follow your lead.
Are you by the AV? Report! You're barely coming through!
See if we can't use this term somehow. Okay, to the bird. Finally. Let's get to work. Hey, Wayland, you hear me?
Loud and clear. Doors all mine.
No response.
We each get one. Johnny, choice is yours.
Yo, Slick.
From a half reptile, I'll take that.
Thanks for the help.
You were supposed to
Don't like all enemies in one big
Remind me.
What?
Not now. Let's get out of here. Move.
See that one? A high ranker, holding the access we need. All yours, Johnny. As Spider Murphy loved to say, look like a cat dragged in. Let's grab the access token and make for the elevator.
Got the access token. Now, the elevator.
He's coming for me.
You asking to get caught? Enemy contact! Big fucking roar!
Yes! Fucking own it!
You motherfucker! Open fire!
Hey! Save a little for me!
Good. That's what I'm talking about.
The atrium. Jesus. It was just a month ago I met with Michiko Arasaka here.
Empty hallways, offices.
Just like back then. Remember?
Course I do.
You've changed, you know? Finally grown up.
And you're still the best.
So, security rooms are on the lower level. You'll need to plow through. Fucking elevators are still jammed. Gotta jump.
That's a long way down.
Precisely why I told you to bring the antigraphs.
Empty hallways, offices.
Just like back then. Remember?
Course I do.
You've changed, you know? Finally grown up.
And you're still the best.
So, security rooms are on the lower level. You'll need to plow through. Fucking elevators are still jammed. Gotta jump.
That's a long way down.
Precisely why I told you to bring the antigraphs.
See you down bottom.
Johnny, careful now.
You're only making it worse for yourself. Come on.
Sorry. Always hated stealth anyway.
I'll never get tired of this.
Good, good. Keep that up.
You can't be...
Over already.
I'm impressed. Seriously.
I survived work.
Opening fire! Fire!
This fucking rules.
Anyone else? Anyone? No? Thought so.
He attacked me. Yo, that's what I'm talking about. Come out. Hands where I can see them.
Which way now?
Security room.
Need to find the elevator to the...
Fucking rule.
Come on.
Hands down. Shoot. Let's go.
It cannot be!
Quick, before they get the cannon loaded again.
Fire that shit, motherfuckers. That's all you got? Suck your mother!
Together!
Minimize risk. Pull back. Hey, leave a little for me.
Can't open it from here. Probably a control term nearby. Open. Patching in alt.
Let your woman out of her box. Let her show us what she's got.
Hey, you've always been the one. Know that, right?
I do. Just a shame you never did.
Well, could have been worse. Alt's in.
Think she can break through the ice?
I have bypassed security. I have complete control of the building. The way to Mikoshi is clear.
Elevator. Now.
cavalry's come to the rescue. Target nearby. Fuck me.
Netrun Operations Control.
2067. An Arasaka bodyguard shields the Emperor of Japan from an assassin's bullet. 2071. Arasaka security forces prevent mass riots in San Francisco, saving the city from certain ruin. 2074.
Bullshit.
Know that look? Got something on your mind?
Ever think back about why we did it?
Did what?
Why we took on the corpse, strapped in leather, chrome, and iron.
Don't know, Johnny. We were young. Hot blood in our veins, shit judgment in our heads, like all pups.
We fought for beauty, not knowing what was good or true. Was only the beautiful that meant a damn thing to us.
Don't let your mind wander. We'll kick around old brain cells over vodka once we're done.
My treat, eh? Or people with stories of the olden days, just like my grandparents.
Arasaka netrunners have stormed the tower's systems. Stopping their advance is my priority. Continue on your way alone. I've cleared a path, but you must hurry. An elite security
Made a run
unit is
for it.
following you.
Wound up turret fodder.
Holy fucking Christ.
Oh shit.
Seems Cunningham's made strides these last decades.
Shit-eaters never even stood a chance.
Come on, the way down's beyond the door. Looks like our work here is already done.
I'm preparing to repel a netrunner attack originating from outside the facility. You will be on your own now. And you must hurry. An Arasaka elite force isn't far behind.
Let's move it! Okay, so close I can almost smell the data stream. Room past the partition. We cross it and we're at the core. Can't turn back time, Johnny. Ever. But you can always start over.
I remember you, cunt.
Eat shit and die. Faster.
Bastard smasher!
Bone and come here. You are not. Fair. So fair.
sensation.
Their defenses are breached. The path to the core lies open, but we don't have much time.
Listen to me, you bored son of a bitch. Rogue meant more than you or I ever could. Best there ever was. And you killed her.
She knew the risks.
Rogue had it in for you. Finally got what you wanted.
You're talking tripe. I killed the old cunt.
Don't know shit, Smasher. She finished things off on her own terms. Something you'll never get.